Today we read data objects available in Python. The various data objects available in Python are number, string, tuple, which are immutable objects, and list, dictionary, and sets are mutable objects. Among them, today we are going to study about dictionaries. In Python, dictionaries are mutable data structures. That is, we can add, update, remove the values after creating dictionaries. After creating dictionary, we can add, remove, delete anything we can perform in the dictionary. Dictionary can be created using dict constructor or a curly braces. It does not contain any duplicate member. We have to know that dictionary does not contain duplicate members. Members means key plus values both. Once you have created dictionary, you can add, remove or update element using the methods given below. Dict.update. This method is used to change an element in a dictionary. This method takes a key and a value as an arguments. It will be added if the key does not exist in the dictionary. This means that if we want to update an value in dictionary, then we use the separate key that is not present already present in the dictionary. Example, car is a dictionary, then brand, Ford, model, Mustang, year 1964. Car.update color is white. There is no key related to a color. That's why we can update its color. Then color is updated in the dictionary. Now we can pop. By using pop we can remove the elements from the dictionary. Again we can use pop item for the removing the dictionary element. The main difference between pop and pop item is dict.pop. This method is used to remove an element from a dictionary. This method takes a key value as an argument and removes the key value pair from the dictionary. It returns only the value, not a key. In case when key does not exist in dictionary, dict.pop will raise a key error. But pop item. This method is used to remove the last element of a dictionary. This method removes the last key value pair from the dictionary and return it as a tuple. It returns both key as well as the value. If dictionary is empty, dict.pop item will raise a key error. Accessing elements of a dictionary. In Python, dictionaries are accessed by key, not by index. Because that's why indexing and slicing is not possible in the dictionary. This means you can't access a dictionary element by using its position in dictionary. Instead, you must use the dictionary key. There are two ways to access a dictionary element in a Python. The first is by using get method. Again, the second way to access dictionary element is using operator, big bracket operator. Example, my dictionary is one dictionary. Inside dictionary we have name and age. Print my dictionary, then key value that you want to access. Again print my dictionary dot get the value that you want to print. Key that you want to print is written inside the small bracket. Dictionary is also a data structure in which we represent a group of objects as a key value pair. Syntax dict.name key value. Note: indexing and slicing are not work because In dictionary, we have to access the element by using key value. That's why indexing and slicing does not work in dictionary. Insertion order is preserved. Means that while we are inserting an element in a dictionary, it will insert it in order wise. Heterogeneous elements are allowed. It means we can use different data type element like here name, this one is string, this one is integer. Again we can use float. So dictionary can allow different heterogeneous elements. Mutable in nature means we can add, remove, update anything in the dictionary. Key must be unique but duplicate values are allowed in dictionary. Now we can do all the practicals of dictionary in coding environment. Without any further delay, let's move toward coding environment. Now here we do the practical of a dictionary. At first we make a one Python file. Here I will make one Python file like dictiona dictionary practical.py is its extension. Now I have created one dictionary. Now at first we create a empty dictionary like text. We have created the empty dictionary. Now we can check it is either dictionary or not. Like print type of this one dictionary. We check this. See, it is dictionary. Now our aim is to create a dictionary contain certain element. Dictionary 1 contain certain elements like first one I created name. Name is I created like name is Binod. After that I created age. Age is age is 21. Let us say. Let us assume. After that I have created username. User name I have created username. After that username I write this inside double inverted comma I have created username. Now I can access elements in the dictionary by using key or by using get method. Like I use first I access the element using key. Now print dict one dictionary one I will access name. Let us say name. I will access name. Then run the program. After that, see my name is accessed. Again, I use get method like print. I use dex1 dot get method to get my age. I will print age. Now I will run the program. After that, see here is Binod and age. Both are accessed. After that, we remove it. After that, we update the dictionary by using update keyword like this. I will update the dictionary like dictionary 1 dot update. I will add college as well. I will add college as well like this. College I will add college like pup I have added this. After that, when I print the dictionary, print dictionary. Now this dictionary is updated and it will print name, age, username, and college. All. See. After that, this one is updated. Before this, also we print dictionary one. I have printed before and after that. See what is the difference. Before there is only name, age, and username only. When I updated the dictionary, we added the college. After that, name, age, and username all came. Now we can use pop to remove this. Now we can use print. We can use pop. Uh, dict one dictionary one dot pop. We remove first. We remove college. College. Then we have print dictionary one. If we printed this, see now college is removed here. Let us remove this. Let us remove this and this. See here college is removed. After that, if we use anything that is present not present in dictionary, suppose we use COLLE. Now it will show error because this key is not present in dictionary. This key is not present in dictionary. But if we use here pop item, it will not show any error. Instead, see, pop item. See, one is this pop item takes no argument. Oh, so we don't have to take any. We don't have to pass any argument here. Now after that we run. The last element is removed here. Now after that we perform another operations like we can perform here keys. Now we can print all the keys present in these dictionaries like print uh, dictionary one dot. It will print all the list of the keys present in this dictionary. See name, age, and username. It will print. See output. Dictionary key is name, age, and username. Similarly, we can use dictionary keys like similarly we can use dictionary values to print all the values present in the dictionary. See, dictionary values is Binod 21 and Hackerboy. Again, we use dictionary items. We use dictionary items to return to print all the items in the dictionary in the form of tuples. See, while printing this, output is see, name Binod is 21, username Hackerboy. See, all the items are printed in the form of tuple. Now here we modify the values of dictionary like dictionary 1 we want to modify name is modified to name is modified to I want to modify to ram. After printing this print dictionary 1, now the value Binod is modified to ram. See the output. See name is ram, here name is Binod, then it is modified to ram. Again, if we add new value like if I add university, university is PUP, it will perform value addition. Already these values are already in dictionary. Now we have added a new value university. Now if we print it, then the value is added. Name is Binod, age 21, username hackerboy, university is PUP. Now it is added. Now if we want to print the length of the dictionary, we use length function like print dictionary length of dictionary is dictionary 1. If we print it, then the length become 1, 2, 3, and 4. See, I think 4 is output. See here, 4 is the length of dictionary. Finally, we have performed all the practical related to the dictionary. That's all for today. If you want more video and notes related to this topic, circulate this video in your college groups, in your friend circle, to your juniors, and the aim of this channel is to make 1k subscriber. After that I will provide all the notes related to all semesters. Thank you, have a good day.